Today we can make two paper clay recipes. For that I am taking some old A4 sheet paper. You can also use newspaper and make pieces like this. If you are using newspaper, then you have to grind it in the mixie. Put hot water. Soak at least for 8 hours to 10 hours. So after 8 hours, you can just crush with your hands. But if you are using newspaper, then definitely we have to grind it in the mixie. Now the paper pulp is ready. Take the excess water. So by filtering it with the use of cloth, completely we have to take the water. Now crumble the paper pulp thoroughly. Now add little amount of Fevicol, that is PVA glue or any white glue. If you want the clay more strong, you can use PVA glue, or for simple projects we can use white glue. So mix it thoroughly. There should not be any lumps. Now I am going to add corn flour. We can also use all-purpose flour or maida for this clay. Now I am using corn flour, 2 to 3 tablespoons, and adding some white cement and some oil. Mix it very well. If you feel that the paper pulp is more, then you can add a little bit of corn flour. So we have to adjust the quantity as per the texture of the clay. The more we add the flour, the more the clay will be pliable. There is no exact proportion for this clay making. So here I am adding little bit of white cement. We should not add more white cement. Then the clay will be very dry and it will also dry soon. We can't store it for 1 or 2 weeks. So little amount of white cement will give you a strong clay. And I am adding refined oil here. If you want, you can add baby oil or any mineral oil. Now the clay is ready and you can see the clay can be stretched very well. So we can store the clay like this. So first we have to wrap it in the plastic cover like this. There should not be any air in the cover. And then store it in the Ziploc cover or any plastic container. So this can be refrigerated for 1 or 2 weeks. And outside, if you are keeping it outside, we can use it for 2 or 3 days. Now the second method. Now I am taking the same paper pulp. Here I have added some more tissue paper pulp. It is not compulsory. And I am taking some PVA glue. Here, in this method I am going to add little bit of PVA glue. We can use any glue. So mix it very well. So I am going to add all-purpose joint compound. This is available in all hardware shops. That's why I mixed very little amount of PVA glue. If you are adding joint compound, the necessity of the glue will be very less. Mix it very well. Now I am adding the dry ingredients. So the first one is all-purpose flour. We can also use corn flour as I shown in the first method. So both flour will give you a nice texture for the clay. There is no specific measurements. We can adjust the flour according to the texture of the clay. The paper pulp should be completely gel with the flour. So till that we have to add the flour. So we can feel that while making the clay. The paper pulp will be very visible if we add little amount of flour. Now we can see that the clay is very stretchable. Then wrap it in the plastic cover and store it in the Ziploc cover. This also can be refrigerated for 1 or 2 weeks, and we can keep it outside for at least 3 or 4 days. Hope these two clay methods are very useful, and subscribe my channel for more videos.